So this is the front of the box, the top side, the back, and the other side, and this is the bottom. So I'm just gonna open it up quickly. Everything's nicely packed. Here's a cardboard piece on top. It comes with a USB cable and the controller. Nothing else is in the box. There's a glossy piece on top with, I'm guessing, the sync button. That's a nice controller. It feels very smooth. The center piece has clear plastic. The buttons feel very nice. This is a very nice controller. It is very good quality. The clicks and everything feels nice. So this is the USB cable that comes with the controller. It's a USB Type-C controller. It has a Nintendo logo on the C end. That's how you can tell it's the official Nintendo one. And now I'm testing the controller after syncing it on the Switch. And it works very well. One way is to plug the USB into the Switch dock and then plug the USB-C side into the controller. And then automatically it will sync up and work. The other way to pair it, if you don't have a dock or USB cable, is to go to controllers, change grip order, and then you would have to hit or hold the sync button on top. And you'll see green lights flashing down here. And then you would just hit A, and then it should pair with the console. So using the Joy-Cons, I feel like it's a bit difficult to aim. I feel like the joystick isn't as sensitive as it should be. And I think it's because the joystick is smaller. I just feel like it's difficult to move around and aim where I want to. The Pro controller feels a lot more smooth, just like an Xbox or PlayStation controller. You can see the Joy-Cons actually has a smaller radius where the joystick can actually move versus the Pro controller. So I also got this rubber cover from Amazon, but I didn't really want that. I wanted the joystick pads that it came with. So this fits on nicely. It gives it a nice feel. There's more grip and the joysticks can rotate freely. So if you want to protect and keep the controller new and clean, you would probably use one of these. So it fits on nicely. And it gives you more grips here. The only problem is the joysticks rub on the rubber. So you could see the rubber moving and you could feel the resistance from the rubber. If you don't have this on, then it's fine. So this is okay. You could have this, but you can't have the joystick pads on as well as the rubber. So you kind of have to choose one or the other. Unless you could just deal with this. After about 3 or 4 years, if your hands are really oily, the rubber on the joysticks will start to dry up and peel. So I'd rather have the thumbstick protection instead of the hard plastic.